Hi, I'm Matt from Bosch Hot Water and Heating. Welcome to the Bosch Training Centre here in Melbourne, Australia. So our main components on the CI internal hot water system are our flue outlet on the draft diverter, copper heat exchanger, pilot and burner assembly, gas valve and the gas adjustment, water valve, the water adjustment, ignition pack with the on-off switch, gas regulator on the inlet, hydro generator, and the safety switches down the right-hand side. Please refer to our installation manual for important fluing guidelines and requirements for this appliance. Commissioning tools required are a thin flathead screwdriver and a digital or water manometer. So the first step in commissioning is just making sure that we have enough gas inlet pressure. It's important to test the pressure while the unit is operating. The gas test point for the unit is here. When testing the inlet pressure, make sure our gas dial is set in the maximum position, which is the small dial here, all the way anti-clockwise, and that our water flow is set to the minimum water flow rate, which is all the way clockwise. Open a hot tap fully and turn off the water inlet to the appliance. Turn off the gas supply to the appliance, loosen the captive screw in the test point, and connect your manometer. So turn on the gas to the unit, then open up the cold water inlet. If the appliance doesn't start igniting, it means the on-off switch is probably in the off position. Push the button to turn it on. What you'll find then is you'll get an error FO, which means that the control's been turned on with water running. All we need to do is turn the water off and then back on again, and the unit should then start to spark and ignite. Once it starts burning, check the inlet gas pressure. Our unit here is natural gas, so we're after 1.13 kPa. At the moment we've got a little over 1 kPa, so we need to raise that pressure just a little bit. To raise the pressure, we're going to use the appliance regulator just here. Loosen the cap of the regulator and turn the adjustment screw clockwise to increase or anti-clockwise to decrease the pressure. Once you've set the inlet gas pressure, you can turn off the cold water inlet to the hot water system. Okay, turn off the gas to the unit and disconnect your manometer. Tighten the captive screw within the test point. Refit the cap on the regulator. And we can turn on the gas again. If the inlet gas pressure is too low and can't be raised, this usually indicates something external to the hot water system, either incorrect pipe sizing or a faulty gas meter regulator or an LPG cylinder regulator. Next step is to test the maximum burner pressure of the appliance. The test point for the burner pressure is located underneath the burner here. Next, loosen the captive screw of the test point. Attach your manometer, making sure your gas dial is in the maximum position, which is all the way anti-clockwise, your water flow in the minimum position, which is all the way clockwise. Once connected, open the inlet valve, check your gas pressure. If the gas pressure does have to be adjusted, the adjustment screw is located behind the blue plastic cap on the left of the gas valve here. Using the brass adjustment screw behind the blue cap, you can set the pressure to the correct setting. All the pressures for the burner pressure are located here on the data plate and in the installation manual. By turning the adjustment screw in clockwise, that will decrease the pressure, anti-clockwise will increase the pressure. Turn the water off to the appliance and disconnect the manometer. And tighten the captive screw. This completes the commissioning process for the Bosch CI. You can now replace the front cover. Always make sure you test the operation once completed, just to make sure the on and off button is still in the on position.